Binance verification failed. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, then make sure you switch to your cellular data. Next, you can go to the Play Store application and check for updates for Binance application on your device. So as you can see, the Binance application is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm gonna go back and then tap on the settings icon. Now scroll down and then tap on apps, then tap on manage apps, and all you have to do over here is scroll down to find the Binance application on your device. Then you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that and you'll be able to clear cache and your data as well if possible. Then next, what you can do is tap on app permission and make sure that you toggle on all of these options to allowed, so that you have no glitches while using the application and no hindrances. After that, go back and tap to verify the Binance application and your problem might be solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.